Your voice can write checks. The good news is a lot of people don't know that yet. The very good news is I'm willing to teach you how that can happen. I'm Tangi KaMeko and I am your vocal visionary. And I'm getting ready to build a course that's going to teach folks just like you, just like me, no experience in voiceover, how to walk into your bedroom closet with a small microphone and a laptop and make six figures just like I did. Like I said, I'm getting ready to build a course, so I need to get input. I don't want to just put together a generic course, and I don't even want to just put together a course that only outlines what I did. I need your questions, I need your input, I need to know what you want to know so that when I build this course, it's made specifically for you. The thing about the voice is everybody has one. Everybody has a voice. Very few people know how to use their voice. We know how to use our voice in general, but very, very few people have mastered the use of their voice. A lot of people say, I don't like my voice. I hate to hear myself talk. Well, baby, you're cheating yourself out of hundreds of thousands of dollars. Possibly. I can show you how to walk into your bedroom closet with nothing but a laptop computer and a microphone and make some money. Let your voice write checks for you. So like I said, I'm building this course and I need to know what you want to know. If you're interested, if this is something that you would like to know more about, just simply drop a me down in the comments below. I'm going to try to keep you in the loop as to when I'll start teaching this course. I'm going to give everybody a free 15. I'm probably going to go live and do a free fat 15 minutes just talking about voiceover, taking your questions, getting ideas on what to put in this course, because this is just too good not to share. And so I want to loop you all in. Especially my sisters, because if you listen to the commercials and the ads, they can be a little male and a little pale, so I'm trying to bring some more women onto the scene, to add a little spice into this life. So like I said, let me know if you're interested and I will see you in the booth.